A very common problem that I see with a lot of homes that have wooden fences and gates, saggy gates. But as usual, Joe has a solution to that problem.
You're right, Danny. In this case, most gates are built with the frame is just butted together. 2 pieces of wood or 3 pieces of wood, they're just joined together. There's no attachment here. And the wood shrinks, and it just, here you see the homeowner tried fixing with some nails and screws. It's just a mess. So we're going to tear that all off and rebuild it. And the way we're going to build it so it lasts longer is by creating half-lap joints.
Okay.
The half-lap joint is nothing more than 2 pieces of wood, in which case half of the wood has been cut away, and the pieces overlap, creating a really strong, rigid joint because the 2 shoulders lock together. Just a little glue and screws, and it's surprisingly strong.
Now, I'm sure this is a lot of fun cutting this out, though, with a saw.
It's actually not that difficult. Yeah, I don't know if we'd call it fun, but it's not that difficult. What you do first is you measure the width of the board from the end and draw a shoulder line, and then set your saw blade to half the thickness, in this case 3/4 of an inch. Then make a series of closely spaced cuts through the wood, and then use a hammer to knock out all the waste wood. And then just take a chisel and scrape the surface really smooth. And when you're using a chisel, you notice at the end's got a little bevel to it. Use it with the bevel down, which will prevent it from digging in. And you end up with, it really doesn't take that long, you get a pretty smooth surface right there.
Okay, so you can do this on the corners as well as, I guess, on the diagonal bracing as well.
Absolutely. Half-lap joints can be cut for diagonals, just cut it at an angle.